We rose much earlier on the last day due to some people's eagerness to finish the trail. We left our backpacks behind to be picked up later, so we didn't have to carry so much during the day.
Kom Jannie, jy het al 5 uur begin of 4:45 begin skrop.
Kwart voor 5. Ja, kwart voor, ja.
Ja, ek het 4:45 begin.
Hoe laat sit nou?
4:45. Dis almal reg met water. I thought like a fire with
You dropped more than
the cleaning is always
Going to put an axe through the skull though.
No, you dropped.
it's not so easy.
Who's the Simon? It's a bit of work.
He's brushing his
You haven't even packed anything. No,
However, some people did not want the trail to finish, and so kept us waiting.
What he's telling me that he's not now is getting out of hand.
And waiting,
Christian, you know how many times I've seen myself in still I was good. And then I'd wash my face again. And then I'd wash it.
and waiting,
I was just going to break into the box with the keys in.
Where your jacket is set up?
Well, what's in the box?
The
keys to
No, the keys.
Oh, the keys.
Yeah, they we both the court.
No. You don't care.
and waiting.
Steal the keys. You'll find a room with a shelf.
Calamari, this is a mobile repeater on one of the hills. So you've got 100 eggs. So this was it. Well, when they do the events in Kalahari, so there's some cycling event that they get done. But they typically won't drive it there. But the other big thing that they got involved in a couple of years is the earthquake in Haiti, and they actually came out as well.
And finally, Sai was ready too.
For that. Welcome. Yeah.
New mannetjie. My line.
New money.
Jy sien terug. So die afste lines up here.
We found the tracks of the male lion we heard last night. The path we took was well used by other animals too. And then we came across this drag mark. Upon closer investigation, we realized it was a snared buffalo dragging a log behind him. After reporting the sighting, the rangers confirmed that they tracked the animal and eventually found the log with a snare on it. The snare must have caught on the horns and eventually dislodged.
Standing on it.
Wat is it?
Klein olifant gets vir in slaap hier. It's shrunk. And then you got up, you can see kicking sand. You can see the sand all over here.
Yeah.
Cool how his trunk made that pattern.
Yeah, shrunk by that pattern.
See it,
Yes.
During a stop, Mr. I Don't Sweat absorbed the morning sun.
Yeah, and you can hold it in like.
I'm sure you're going to sweat the next two as well, mate.
All of us will.
No, but you will for the first time now.
An elephant made us aware of his presence.
One is not happy with the other one. I think eat a lot of palms and grass as long as you can see it's intact. It's probably a nice big bull.
It's so easy for these elephants to hide in the mopane bushes.
Yeah, but where were they the first 2 days?
Nowhere to walk up underneath it.
Why? The 3 first days there wasn't one yellow bull.
Got a spark on your backpack.
So there are a couple of policies at the moment in the wild.
I think I finished Kruger Trails before Gilbert. I think Gilbert's is.
Especially in the context.
We can sit down there and
Look,
rest a bit for them.
If I had to
hulle by baas, hulle gat bereid hulle by jou toon.
Ja.
Ja, they bite so, eh? It burns like hell when they bite you.
Matabele.
You don't find them in the south of the forest.
Dat is nou dat weer.
Zimbabwe.
Apparently, if you irritate them, they hiss.
Ja, jy
Ja, daar
get
is.
low in the
Yeah, I had these in leg 3 in our campsite, and they were dead strike towards my tent. So I moved my tent.
Guys, you're moving too much, they're gonna run. Right. Guys, come, here, guys, come. Come, guys, come. Come, guys, come. Come. Right.
That was fun, man.
Cool. Eh? Yeah. It's a hard racing, eh? Yes, I didn't even see that car. Did you check?
I saw it walking, but waterpot.
Ja, nee, raak so die waterboks dan aan. Dit lyk soos twee eerste
Very big of you to tell us that you finally rejected 2-minute noodles.
I've been rejecting it for 4 days. I just don't want to say anything.
Come to a realization, a spiritual
And
moment.
the funny thing is, you were
Cheese
trying to
later.
convince us all to buy 2-minute noodles.
Yeah.
Because it works so well. That was quite an experience. And with only 2 kilometers left, we were able to enjoy the waterhole for one last time, but in a much more peaceful way.
Nice smell, isn't it? Guys still live for a booty.
This is incredible. Pretty newborn, this one. With the final destination in sight, congratulations, we're in order. Lekker, man. You did it. We arrived at the Vlakteplaas Ranger Station.
Dankie Piet. Thank you so much, Andrew. Really appreciate it. Thanks, one number 2. Cheers,
Thanks, Andrew.
I hope you join us for another one sometime.
Thank you for inviting me. Just magic.
I knew this, however, I didn't know what I was up against.
Our transport arrived with a special delivery.
Yeah. Oh, sorry guys, it's nothing for you.
Yeah! Cheers, 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 cheers. Well done. I hope I pressed the right button.
Go check.
You say that every time.